Well, we're starting off the Skywatch report with something a little interesting that's been happening over the past few days. As you know, we've had nothing but sunshine across central Illinois, but as you look at SkyTrack, there have been a few returns on radar, especially across our western counties. So we'll zoom in and take a closer look at this. And it happens from about 3 o'clock to about 4:30 into the 5 o'clock hour. That's when we see this activity show up, and then it once again disappears. And if you look at the legend, it'll tell you it's snow. What these returns actually are is birds across central Illinois. There have been so many taking flight that they are sending radar into precipitation mode, so it's showing up as snow across central Illinois, but those are just birds taking off across more of our prominent lakes across central Illinois. And as we take a current look at SkyTrack, nothing showing up, so all the birds have died down across the area as the sun's starting to set. We're continuing to see those clear skies in place. High pressure is in control of our weather pattern now, so that's allowing those skies to remain clear. That'll be the case as we head into the weekend as well. Temperatures are already down to 30 degrees down in Robinson, 32 in Paris and Danville, 34 here in Charleston, it's 33 down in Effingham, and it's currently 34 over in Decatur. Now our winds are now out of the south. High pressure has moved off to the east, so that's allowed our winds to now come out of the south. So that's going to bring in some warmer air as we go into the weekend. 7-mile-an-hour breeze right now in Charleston, 16 in Decatur, and 13 up in Champaign. You really start to notice the effect of this southerly wind as we get into the weekend. We'll see our temperatures continue to climb. We'll be up about 10 degrees for tomorrow from where we were today, 48 for our daytime high. Going to be breezy both Saturday and Sunday, but that's going to be allowing those temperatures to warm up. 52 on Sunday, despite an increase in cloud cover, especially as we get into the afternoon hours for Sunday. So here's Futurecast for tomorrow, putting it in motion, and there's just nothing showing up throughout the course of the day tomorrow, as we're expecting another day with sun-splashed skies across central Illinois. Going to be another nice day again, a little bit breezy, so we're going to have our wind chills down just a few degrees from our actual temperatures. Our hometown highlight tonight is Macon County. We're expecting those temperatures to be in the mid-40s, 45 for your high in Decatur and Macon, 44 in Mount Zion, Warrensburg, and Argenta. Again, wind gusts upwards of 25 miles an hour, so unfortunately going to be a little bit breezy for our Saturday, but again, nothing but sunshine out there across central Illinois. So we'll pick Futurecast back up, and I've added the temperatures to our Sunday because we're all going to notice a nice warming trend despite the increase in cloud cover. So we'll start the morning off with quite a bit of sunshine, but then we'll see the clouds increase, especially throughout the afternoon. But you'll notice temperatures start out in the 30s. By lunchtime, we're into the upper 40s, and temperatures don't stop climbing there. We'll see our highs climbing into the 50s as we get into Sunday afternoon. So despite the cloud cover, we're going to be staying mild as we get into Sunday. But be sure to enjoy the warmer weather, the sunshine, and the dry weather, because by Monday morning, that all comes to an end. We're going to have our next system moving into the area. This is midnight on Monday. We're going to see the rain showers overspreading the area. And unfortunately, it looks like they'll be with us throughout much of the day on Monday. So you want to trade in those sunglasses for the umbrellas because we're in for a soggy start to the work week. And that activity continues into Monday night. But as we get into Tuesday, we'll start to see a break from most of the moisture. I think Tuesday we'll see more dry time than we will rain showers across the area. But as we get into the day on Wednesday, we're going to see some wraparound moisture with this system. But as the cold front moves through, that'll be dropping our temperatures. So you know what that means. We're going to be seeing snow back in the forecast for central Illinois. For tonight, though, no snow, no rain inside. We're going to stay under clear skies, 24 degrees for our overnight low. Southwest wind gusting up to 20 miles an hour. That's going to really allow our temperatures to jump up tomorrow. We're already up to 32 degrees by 9 a.m., 44 by lunchtime, with a daytime high just shy of the 50-degree mark. And as we look at the next 7 days, once we get through all the rain and snow through the middle part of next week, temperatures going to be taking a dip once again. High of only 30 degrees on Thursday. Then overnight lows dropping down into the teens, but once we get to the end of next week, we'll see the sunshine return. So don't think it's a false start to spring this weekend because Old Man Winter is back.
Do you have any weekend plans, Everett?
I don't, just enjoying the warm weather.
I know, it seems downright gorgeous. Oh, and by the way, thanks for the purple memo. I appreciate it.
Well, it was just coincidence for us for a night.
All right.